Kumusta?
Attorney, hello.
Okay.
Attorney, since we're in Mandaluyong, no?
Yeah.
What is your favorite place here growing up?
Yung bahay ko, sa Canlaon Street. Paborito ko yun dahil a lot of memories.
Many are asking, Attorney, no? What's the story behind the shades?
3 years old, mataas ang grado sa salamin ko dahil basa ako ng basa ng libro at hilamos ako ng hilamos. That is why I need these things kasi nagluluwa ako ng sobrang araw to protect my eyes.
Attorney, what is the sport do you play during your free time?
Boxing.
Boxing. And Attorney, you're a champion horse breeder. What is it about horses that you love so much?
Matalino, tsaka very sweet kung kakilala ka.
Ito naman, Attorney, what's the type of music do you listen to?
Depende. Kung gusto ko magtahimik lang ay jazz ay maganda. If not, yung regular pop.
Something personal, Attorney. What's the most valuable lesson you learned from your mother?
The spirit of caring, sharing, and giving.
In terms of movies, what's your favorite movie?
Maynila sa Kuko ng Liwanag. It's a classic film.
If you are to choose, sinigang or nilaga?
Depende sa mood. Kung bumabagyo, nilaga. At kung active ako, sinigang.
What is your insight about grief?
Grief is something na dadali mo habang buhay. But, dapat open-minded ka. Could turn it around, it could be an inspiration and a motivation later on.
Attorney, what is your favorite local cuisine?
Tinolang manok. Native, native.
What is your Christmas wish?
Maging masaya. Just be happy. Everyone should be happy.
Do you have a favorite clothing brand?
Superdry, Uniqlo.
And what is the most beautiful city in the Philippines? Medyo tricky to.
Tricky, Mandaluyong, Loyal Mandaluyong. Although lahat magaganda, very unique, bawat lungsod.
And do you have your favorite hangout spot?
Coffee lang, maski saan, tabi-tabi lang, okay na ako, kape-kape lang.
Medyo showbiz, Attorney, no? Who is your favorite Filipino actor?
Yung Maynila sa Kuko ng Liwanag, si Bembo Rocco, magaling yun.
Siyempre, curious sila dito, Attorney. Are you a dog or cat person?
Dog person, mahilig ako sa aso.
Who is your childhood hero and why?
Wow, Superman. You know why? Kasi he has all the powers, but what is important is not the powers, it is the heart, the compassion.
Who is your favorite boxer?
Manny Pacquiao, napakagaling yan.
If you didn't dive into politics, Attorney, where would you be?
Well, I could have been a pilot, I could have been a doctor.
Do you often think back and wonder if you should have chosen a different profession? Why or why not?
Hindi na. Kung anong pinili ko, yun na. Alam mo, bago ka gumawa ng desisyon, dapat buwan loob mo eh. I'll forever be a lawyer and of course a politician at that.
What made you decide to become a public servant?
Nung bata ako, tataka ako sa tatay ko, bakit mas matatanda sa kanya, nare-respeto siya. At doon ko nakita, it's because of respect to that profession.
If you get elected, Attorney, what is the first bill you will fight?
Well, local government code, it's 31 years. This is the vehicle to implement projects that defines the role of the national and the local. Provinces, cities, lahat. It's very important.
For you, how can we further improve our national security given recent events?
National security, of course, importante ito sa internal. Let's improve on the police. It's very important, intelligence work. For international, it's the Interpol. We've been able to catch Alice Goo, Cassandra Ong, and the others. It's because of our relations with other countries, with Indonesia, to the Interpol.
DILG was the most trusted government agency when you were at the helm. What policy are you most proud of?
Marami eh. Number one, the policy on, of course, yung BIDA program. Wala kaming about the anti-drug war. Pagkatapos ito, our policy on the fire trucks. Halos yung mga walang fire trucks at 200. Halos lahat yan may fire trucks na, even fire stations. After that will be our policy on the Hajj, in the COA. Ina natin sa COA na kung maaari ay hindi na i-treat sa taas at babato. Kundi may flexibility so that the commission would pay on time. But it should still be audited, and a lot of other things, including the Bureau of Jail, the decongestion. by having a memoranda with the Department of Labor na lahat ng lalabas sa kulungan magkakaroon ng trabaho, and the reoffending rate has been decreased by 3%. No? The high-profile cases, Pastor Abolo Kibuloy, Alice Goo, the Steady Mejia na nakuha sa Dubai is a sex predator preying on young children, young female children. These are just some of the things that we've done in the DILG.
Attorney, what's the greatest lesson you learned in politics?
If there's one thing money cannot buy, kung isang bagay na hindi pwede bilhin ng pera, ay ang respect. And another thing, it's about leadership. It's connected because it's important to be proactive. No one can be a great leader without the people. Sama-sama yan. That is what makes a good city, a good province, a good country. Proactive, being one, the people.
Thank you so much, Attorney, and good luck.
Salamat.
Thank you.